Before we even get started, let's set up the development environment. Let's see how we can install React developer tools in Chrome. So you can open the Chrome browser here and you can look for Web Store. And in the Web Store, you can look for React developer tools. Okay, you can see this one, and you can simply click on this and then click on Add to Chrome. Now we want this to be available in the title bar here or in the main bar here. So just click on this one and you can see that we have React developer tools. I'm just going to pin this. So this will be available every time I open the Chrome browser. Now let's go to the React.js website. And now you can see that this tool here is activated. You can right click and select the inspect element. I'm going to put this down and you can see that we have a section here called components. You can click on that one and here you'll be able to see all the components which is being used in React.